Ay, Ate Tonet. Grabe hingal. Kayo naman maglakad pabalik, kami naman sasakay. Okay ka lang, Tony? Wala kang kasama? Sanay ka na? Hi, Toning! Tony! Toning! Kabayan tunog pa ba yun? Panik na panik mode ang nanay ni Tonying. Tony, hindi ka yung takot?
Baba na tayo?
Sige lang.
Happy birthday, Mamita!
Nasa si Mamita tayo. Narinig, nag-thank you. Bawal maingay dito eh. Ano yung sasabihin mo?
Happy birthday, ma. I love you.
Aww. Tayo, ano sasabihin niya? Tatlong iklog.
Spaghetti?
Happy birthday, Mamita!
Sabi na?
Guys, we love you.
Mura pa spaghetti ko.
You are God's blessing to us. Happy birthday, Mamita!
Wow, may energy!
Happy birthday, Mami! We love you. Happy birthday, Mamita! Happy birthday, Mamita!
Asa ba si Mama?
Tulog.
Ma! Happy birthday! Layo mo! Sulat ka! Ma, thank you sa treat! Happy birthday, Ma!
Dessert for everyone. We will be sharing vanilla cake, lychee cake, and what we think is banana cake.
What we think?
It looks banana. There's no label.
Toning, what are you gonna be having? You choose. Everything I will taste. Okay? That's
And
our
this is also
dessert.
leche flan.
Wow, may leche flan?
Yeah.
I liked it. Eh, gusto ko yan. Kain tayo leche flan. Get some more. Okay, enjoy your dessert, kids. Agaman, let's say again thank you to Mamita. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Mamita.
Ayun si Mamita nandun.
Happy birthday, Mamita.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, Mamita.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mamita.
Happy birthday, kiss! Mwah! Happy birthday, ma!
Birthday, anak.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hug. Yeah, hug. Everyone hug. Hi, Tunying. Good morning.
Morning po.
Ay, sweet. Tony,